Allow your body to get into a comfortable position. When you are ready, softly close your eyes and tune in to your breath and your body. Allowing yourself to slow down and drop in. Letting gravity to its job. Letting the muscle in your belly be soft and loose. Feeling your stomach expand on every in-breath and contract on every out-breath. Allowing each breath to feel rich and rewarding. How beautiful it is to be here now. Let yourself drop inwards even more deeply, coming home to yourself, inviting yourself in. And get curious, as if you can communicate with each of the billions of cells within you, feeling them each as divine, infinite intelligence, with their own wisdom, their own strength, their own ability to be whole, healthy, notice how as you focus on feeling good and you let that guide you, you can sense that your cells follow suit. Just for now, just for this moment, allow yourself to believe that you have everything you need. It's all within you, and you choose to focus on feeling good. Now, affirming to yourself, I let myself feel good. Feel a sense of letting go of needing anything else. Letting feeling good be your number one priority, even if for only this moment. Invite yourself to explore how we feel internally. Feeling yourself light up in this good feeling. Spend a few breaths simply exploring this and enjoying this. Let this be all you need right now. and imagine your awareness dropping down directly into one of your cells. Trust your imagination. Trust how this feels. On every inhale, breathe appreciation to the cell. Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth. Exhale. Notice your energy and how you feel now. Know that you can always come back to this feeling of peace and positivity. Remember, your peace is always in your power. When you are ready, blink open your eyes and observe your environment with fresh eyes. Have a beautiful day. Sending you so much love. Namaste.